Assalamualaikum. Hi guys. Welcome back to another episode of
Scuba Syndicate.
Okay. Saya Han
Haikal.
bersama Haikal. Okay. Today lain sikit. Biasa tak? Rod tak ada.
Yeah.
Okay. Rod dia ada acara peribadi sikit kan.
Acara personal lah.
Dia personal. Dia ada personal
Dia macam ada kena
beli jiwa. Dia beli jiwa. Lepas tu kita ada satu kelainan sikit hari ni kan.
Yeah.
Okay, of course special guest untuk
Every week kita ada special guest dan
Kau masuk dia ada
baru
satu. Alhamdulillah. Ada
this is
satu.
new. This is the first time you're showing this.
Ya,
the first one.
Kau rasmi lah.
Oh, yes. I'm the mascot for this. By the way.
Tu aku nampak dia kat macam
smile.
inspired.
To me, yeah.
Anyway, kita punya special guest today kan.
every week
Mr.
special guest.
Shah
Hey guys,
Surya Rubin.
happy to be here. Thanks for having me.
Terima kasih bang. Jam tak tadi jalan?
Tak adalah. I mean, I memang tinggal jauh kan. So at Cheras, so 50 minutes. Okay, traffic, no problem.
Okay.
50 minutes or 15 minutes?
50.
50.
Kau dekat Ceras lah tadi.
Ya, betul.
Tu semalam dia tanya cakap, ini banjir tak? Cakap, tak cakap. Today, sun
tadi-
shining bright.
Yeah, last year yes, almost. Yeah, sebab 4 years ago memang banjir.
okay.
Until masuk rumah. But now okay lah.
Okay lah.
Yeah, okay lah.
Dah clear lah.
Dah clear. All, and I mean, everybody like sorted their responsibilities on the dam side.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, itu lah cakap. Aku excited tau. Syah ni kan. Cakap dia banyak cerita. Dia banyak cerita.
Itulah sampai tadi aku dengar cerita banyak ni kan.
Tapi
Kita
tu
tengok dia banyak cakap ke tak?
Tapi itu
usually
lah
I talk a lot. Let's see.
Tak apa. But first thing first lah kan, kita nak terima kasih kepada kita punya subscriber yang dah subscribe, yang dah share, yang dah like. Lepas tu yang jangan lupa tekan bell notification button. Kalau belum subscribe tu boleh. Tolong subscribe ya. So ASK Coffee. Terima kasih banyak-banyak. Best tak bos coffee.
Ini energi kita sebab kopi dia best. Mimi dia punya beans pun sedap lah. Sebab tak manis. Dia pandai brew lah.
Pasal sekarang ni shoot malam.
I see.
Shoot malam. Pasal Abang Rock punya, kita punya kekangan masa
Biasanya
kan.
berapa?
Ha?
Biasanya?
Dulu kita shoot kadang-kadang weekend kan. Pagi, tengah hari. So disebabkan semua ada kerja hakiki.
Okay.
So we got other things to do. Banyak kerja lain. So kena shoot malam sikit. So the coffee helps lah. Let's go coffee. It's just nice lah. Ni dua flavour. Dia hazelnut dengan vanilla.
Yeah.
The one I'm trying is hazelnut, right?
Yep. This is hazelnut. Sebab tu setiap kali episod memang gua hantam ni je.
Tu lah. Akunya vanilla. It's nice.
Okay. Anyway,
Kita nak kenal-kenal sikit kan.
Okay.
Bila start diving?
Wow. 2026 right this year. So I think 2009.
lama dah.
Lama dah.
No, sorry. 2013, sorry.
2013.
2009.
Still.
No, I got it wrong. 2009, I came to Malaysia from my studies.
Okay.
Came back.
Came
Dulu
back.
study kat mana?
I did my degree in Melbourne.
Yeah.
That's where I met my wife lah.
Okay.
That's
Aussie.
why- yeah.
Wife Aussie ke?
Tak ada Malaysian.
Ini
happen to be in,
ini kalau zaman-zaman 2009 dan sebelum tu Melbourne Shuffle bro.
Betul.
Oh,
That's my time. Correct.
Bukan Melbourne
Dia dalam
Hardstyle
topi
Shuffle.
sikit, tapi
those shuffling days are over.
Shuffle sudah mati kan?
Dah
cakap
mati.
dia. Kau shuffle juga lah.
Ya, dulu lah bro. Tak nak cakap lah. Please lah, don't embarrass me. Yeah, my friends are watching.
So kalau kau
No, very bad shuffler. But I try to shuffle.
apa nama wife?
Prema.
So Prema kau tekan je everyday I'm shuffling.
No. I don't shuffle when she's around. That's why she
Jaga
married
macho
me.
bro, macho.
Does she know this?
Yeah, she knows. Yeah.
Prema shuffle juga.
Tak adalah. She shuffle cards ni.
Shuffle cards.
Tu macam bini gua. So okay, so dekat
Okay,
Melbourne.
2013 and then dia coming back from Melbourne on 2009.
2009, yeah.
That means masa dekat Melbourne tu ada pergi try scuba ke?
Tak ada.
Oh, tak ada.
Masa kat Melbourne, I just studying ni bro. Tak ada duit.
Kau Melbourne Uni kan?
No, Victoria Uni in Melbourne.
Oh, okay.
Is it Australian punya university atau
It's Australian University in Melbourne, but they have a twinning program in Sunway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you can do Victoria University in Sunway College, which I did my first year, and the remaining 2 years I did it in Melbourne lah.
Kau Sunway. Kau memang all the way budak KL.
Setapak.
Setapak. Setapak je.
I'm from Setapak High School.
Aku dua tapak.
Shout out to Setapak
Aku dua
kids out
tapak.
there.
Bertapak-tapak. Pantai
Yes, I'm
Timur.
from Setapak, bro. My house is still there, renting out to other people lah now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tapak.
Yeah, I moved to Cheras 10 years ago.
10 years ago.
Yeah.
Oh, not bad. No?
Yeah.
So pergi Melbourne, balik pada situ 2009.
2011.
2011.
2009 to 2011 I'm in Melbourne. 2011 Disember I balik. 2012 I start kerja.
Masa tu dah start pergi pulau.
Tak ada. 2000 end of 2013, early 2014, then only I got my open water. That one also accidentally.
Where did you do your open water
Okay,
though somehow?
this is the cerita actually.
Macam off season punya time
So masa
tu.
tu I think I belum kahwin lagi.
Belum kahwin.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then I was in Lazada masa tu.
Okay.
Like 2-3 years into Lazada. And my colleagues and I decided to do a getaway lah to some pulau lah.
Tak
And
boleh sebut nama.
yeah, Mabul. Mabul, yeah. But none of us are divers.
Okay.
Yeah.
They just want to go to island and have a island holiday. I said okay. Me, I don't really care about where you go as long the people is ngam. I just go and I can afford. I go.
Same kaki.
Yeah. So I just paid the money and paid the deposit and I think they booked it 3 months before. And then closer to the date of where we supposed to berangkat ke Mabul kan, I pun check lah what can we do there, what are the activities. So I tengah Google. Also I see cannot do anything there also. There's only white sand, pulau and then the ocean. Tak ada apa-apa.
Judging from kau cakap kan, kau rasa masa tu memang direction dia lain sikit lah.
Yeah,
Bukan
yeah.
pada
Dia,
diving.
dia,
semua.
dia, dia belum diving world lagi.
I mean, I used to see watch videos and my friend Arif pun had open water way earlier than me. He been trying to convince me but I never pursue lah. But then I said, hey guys, there's nothing to do. But they said, this is a good place to do your open water. Do you want to just try or not? We made a decision like 1 week before going.
Oh.
So open
Baik.
water there.
1 week before leaving, open water in Mabul. Yeah.
Oh, that means-
Before that, it's just going to Mabul, swim, come back.
So open water kau dapat sipadan sekali.
We didn't go to Sipadan lah, tapi we did at
Mabul
Scuba
kapal
Junkie.
Oh, Scuba
Can I
Junkie.
say the...
Can. No problem.
Yeah, so we did it Scuba Junkie lah. And then 3 hours attempted our open water. My instructor name was Steve Jenkins, Welsh guy. Steve-O they call him. And then he was a good instructor lah, bro. I miss him actually. It's a shame that I have not done fun dive with him yet. Because he's always now he's not in Malaysia anymore.
Finish course, that's it.
Yeah, he is now in Thailand or based somewhere else lah. But back to here. Yeah, so 3 hours attempted it, and then we finished our open water lah. That's how it happened.
That means 1 week before the trip, you decide.
Yeah.
That means you let Scuba Junkie know or you just...
I let Scuba Junkie know 1 week before. Because I cannot take it if you go there and there's nothing to do. My
betul.
mind will go crazy, right?
Yeah, at least do something
Do
yang
something lah. Apa-apa lah.
aktif sikit lah. Kalau snorkeling
So
tu
I had
macam
to
normal.
convince. That's the first time I ever convinced people to do open water when I also didn't have open water.
So
kalau dia dah open water, mungkin orang macam okay bro.
Yeah.
biasa kita cakap kat siapa scam kau open water.
Ah,
Dia
yes.
scam orang tu ambil open water.
Dia belum open water, dia dah scam kawan dia.
Terus, yeah. So I mean 3 hours went, 1 hours didn't pass lah. But that's because she had a problem equalizing.
Oh, tak boleh equalize.
Cannot lah, too painful.
Oh, too
So
painful.
out of 3, both of us only managed to get our open water lah. That's how it started.
Takut dia yang tak boleh equalize tu due to sinus lah. Kadang-kadang
Yeah,
bila-
dia banyak got
sebab,
sinus issue. Yeah.
for my experience, and then I pun sinus. Bila I start diving, for the first 5 dive, memang all the blood cloth keluar. That means everyone ada sinus, cuma teruk tak teruk je.
Dia keluar warna merah tu tak apa bro. Yang keluar warna hijau, kuning, biru.
Itu lain.
Itu dah lain.
Itu dah bahaya
Taklah bahaya.
Itu
Nah, ni biasa open water student.
okay,
Kadang-kadang dia tak perasan. Dia ada sesama sikit. Or something lodged
I see,
inside.
I see.
Kan.
And then it
So
just
bila dia
clears up.
clear, cakap okay, clear your mask kan. Dah exercise kan. Okay. Regulator clearing, mask clearing, partially flooded, full flooded kan. Kau nampak cendol kat tepi. Tadi dekat atas lawa dah. Aduh.
Bro, sama je kita kadang-kadang contohlah malam-malam kita tidur aircon kan. Dia bangun semua sikit kan. Buat exercise dengan student. Hembus-hembus. Alamak, buang dia.
Tak, dia biasa ni kan. Kita tu lah, dia tak nampak kan.
Yeah. Now I make sure.
Kau lagi teruk bro. Kau takut dia lekat-lekat kat sini.
Yeah.
Member
Okay.
dia pun dulu dia clear mask pun lekat kat ni.
Ini semestinya lah bro. Kan, ini memang semua melekat-lekat tu.
Oh itu lah.
Okay. Tapi masa sorry bro.
Boleh, bro.
Gua excited juga sebab gua pernah ajar student yang bermisai tebal. Masa you buat mask clearing,
Yes.
you had any problem tak dekat
Mask clearing not an issue lah. Tapi masa I buat open water kan, my jambang is not this thick. It was a bit thinner lah. Tapi the
Okay.
problem I have now is if I go diving, it will leak slowly sebab got gap. But there's a solution lah. Pakai Vaseline.
Oh, okay. Standard issue lah. Vaseline lah.
Yeah.
As long kau jangan rub the inner lens lah.
Or you can shave your misai for the trip lah. If I do
Tapi-
that, my wife will divorce
Kalau
me.
kau share saya kau dah macam Taliban lah boh.
Yeah. That's why cannot. Yeah.
Kau dengar pakai hood macam tu.
Like my Arif, you know Arif, right?
Yeah.
He shaves and go. Yeah. But I pakai Vaseline lah. It works.
Tapi kalau shave dia tak nampak macho lah.
Ya, itu pasal.
Kalau kita nak nampak muda sebab kita
Too
masih
much
muda.
investment lah bro.
Masa dulu aku jambang macam ni pun.
Alamak.
Ya ke?
Aku jambang panjang. Tapi ikat lah kan. Dia ikat.
Okay.
After a while.
Dia buat Mali lah, buat Mali style.
Biasa lah. So okay. Daripada open water tu. Lepas tu kau ada buat fun dive kat situ. Kau habis
Tak.
course terus balik.
Terus balik.
Aduh.
That means your package 4 days 3 night lah.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know anything about the fun
Yeah.
dive or
Best tak? So you diving dekat biasa apa Paradise kan? Aku dah
Paradise
lama tak
One,
pergi.
mesti
Paradise.
you buat exercise kat Paradise One. Oh, tak, scuba junkie dia ada depan tu ada pantai.
Oh ada pantai lah.
jetty.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a confined water over there. But
Ah.
they did the confined water there. But the dive is at Mabul area lah. I pun tak ingat lah the dive site.
For sure dia pergi
Open water. Kau buat kat Mabul kan. Dengan penyu lah. Dengan crocodile fish. Entah apa-apa.
Lupa.
tak, lepas tu dia pergi 2013 time tu atau 2013-14 tu.
Mantap lagi tu.
Mantap lagi.
Yeah, betul.
Kalau pergi sekarang memang
I've never gone back. No, I gone back once only. Since I got my open water.
Okay.
Back to Mabul and
Diving
Sipadan.
lah?
Yeah, to dive, yes.
So how was that?
That was good. I went to Sipadan that one. That one was good, bro.
Very good kan?
That was damn good lah. I mean, I don't know why I only went to Sipadan only once. But I was just telling my friends we should go again. But it was long time ago. But I still remember. You know that drop
Drop off.
that
Drop
drop
off.
off. That one was crazy. And masa tu is Prema's first fun dive.
Kau bawa dia terus pergi
Yes.
Sipadan.
Oh,
Yes.
dia Prema pun dah certified juga time tu.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Itu dia punya interesting thing bro. Nanti kita
Okay,
cerita lah,
kita
the next segment kan. Pasal dia ni, aduh mantap. Pasal kita banyak kategori diver kan. Kita punya guest lah. Kita multiple background kan. Kita ada dive pro. Kita ada yang OG. Kita ada yang newbie. Kita ada apa ni yang baru jadi
betul.
dive pro kan. Yang ni dia punya kategori apa kau tu? Dia bukan senior diver. Dia very seasoned diver.
Season
Season
lah.
Season, eh?
Tapi
in
dia
my group, I'm not the most seasoned one also.
tapi dia pasal apa? Dia punya enthusiasm tu kan. Kau enthusiastic lah bro.
Try to be lah.
Tak, actually biasa kalau diver-diver ni dia ada separuh tu dia excited tapi dia tak tunjuk. Tapi bila time dia ni aku tengok wah dia I'm a diver man macam tu kan.
Alah.
Itu lah. Kau dah advance kan? Ke apa level sekarang?
Rescue.
Rescue
dah.
diver. Oh,
Advance
congratulations lah.
Advance kat Perhentian.
Berhenti
At
kan?
Matahari Divers.
Matahari.
Yeah.
Pasir Panjang, Long Beach.
Long Beach.
Long Beach.
Masa tu party lagi.
Masa dah kahwin dah.
Tak, masa Long Beach berparti lagi lah.
Oh, I pun tak ingat lah. Yes, malam. The fire show and all that. Okay lah.
Dia tak boleh nak cakap dia ingat. Nanti dia kata, oh, wife dia tiba, oh, you party, patutlah malam tu you tak ada. Oh.
Tu baru kahwin lah masa tu.
That advance, yes. I mean,
Macam honeymoon
probably
sikit
lah,
lah.
probably.
Okay,
Very hard to plot the timeline because I really tak ingat when I did my advance. Because masa tu I did it with Arif. We just went to do it,
Okay.
and then we came back with our advanced open water.
Yeah.
And then I don't remember the time lah. The time, yeah.
Tapi Prema pun dah certified kan?
Masa tu Prema did her open already.
That means yang kan pergi Mabul for open water certification
Yeah,
kan.
yeah.
That one girl not certified. That means she's continue or
No, she didn't.
drop off?
She cannot. It was too painful. It like a bit of trauma already. That one. I did try to convince her lah, but she, if she's watching, she know I'm talking about her. But
Boleh shout out.
Yeah,
Cakap
shout out
nama
to
dia.
Simran.
Simran.
You can try again.
Yeah,
There's two
you can try
instructors
again.
here.
Simran,
One
you can try
instructor
again.
kena bayar, kena beli jiwa
Please come.
sekejap.
Yeah, yeah. So I'm still trying. I think after 10 years already, still trying.
Talking about ear problem kan, this is very common.
Yeah.
Very common. Aku pun at one point, kau rasa kau sama tak? Kita tak boleh equalize. Mula-mula started diving.
Started tu sebab
Dia sinus
I got
blocks
sinus.
lah.
See.
Tapi once clear, till now I don't have any problem with equalize.
Yeah. And then one of our guest yang sisters, diving sisters
betul.
kan, Lin, she has a very, bukan acute lah, dia punya eustachian tube tu kecil. Halus.
Okay.
So she have issues of equalization.
So she have to like do it all the time or?
All the time and constant. It was painful and she has to do it slow.
Oh, she cannot drop very quick also
Tak
lah.
boleh. Tapi yang aku tak faham tu, bila nampak Weshat laju,
Itu mestilah kena tak nak tertinggal momen tu.
hilang sakit telinga ke apa.
Laju on the way down.
Laju dia tak ingat dah orang lain kat belakang. Dia tahu macam ni lah kamera dia.
Sodok je.
Itu yang adik dia cakap, ni tak boleh pegang kamera. Itulah. Kau ambil gambar, ambil gambar, ambil video juga.
Just started.
Just started.
I
Welcome
think-
to the dark side.
When I first started after getting certified, my diving was not really great, not far from great actually. My first fun dive was at Malapascua after open water. But hear me out. Dengar dulu. Kejap. Because I don't know how to plan any dive trip kan. And that time Arif already planned with Daphne pergi Malapascua. And then they called me lah. I said, okay lah, who's going to plan for me? I just go lah. Oh, but when there, bro, I suffered, bro. Yeah. So I was seahorsing. But yang paling kelakar, I think, the first 2 days of diving, so 6 dive, I'm always the one coming up first out of air.
Okay.
So I was wondering why.
Out of air.
Out of air. So I was wondering why. So then I realised my gauge kan, SPG, my SPG, is in PSI.
PSI.
So it's macam 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 macam tu, right? So I thought divide by 10.
Okay.
Macam 2,000 divide by 10, 200 bar lah. Because it starts at
3,000.
macam 2,000 lebih kan macam tu. So at 500, I thought it's 50 bar. But actually it's already like 35 bar.
Yup.
Yeah, I only realised later. So I have to divide by 12 or 13.
Gauge kau dah tukar dah sekarang?
That one rental gear. masa
Rental
tu.
gear.
I've never seen a SPG in PSI other than the one I saw in Malapascua.
Don't worry, same thing here. Kita pun cakap PSI. Aku dah lama dah tak jumpa PSI.
Tapi ada bro, aku ada lagi set yang pakai PSI.
PSI, lepas tu dia punya depth gauge fit.
Fit.
Banyak sangat nombor ni.
Yeah, so it was not a great experience. I think throughout the half of the trip is all about learning and getting
pasal,
through the thing.
When it comes to dive equipment ni, aku punya principle very simple je lah. KISS. Keep it simple and sweet.
Betul.
Banyak-banyak nombor sakit kepala.
Satu lagi kalau kita keep it simple from other things macam kita kan dah macam pokok Christmas dengan SMB dengan shaker dengan ni dengan tu kan. Kadang-kadang benda-benda lain tu kena make it simple lah. Sebab yang mana yang emergency ataupun all the benda yang kita perlu memang kena ada lah.
Kau pakai apa? Kau pakai donut backfloat dah?
Kalau teaching jacket.
Jacket lah.
Kalau
If you teaching, you use jacket.
Jacket.
Is there a reason?
Easy lah.
Easy.
Dia got pocket.
Okay.
Kalau travel, pakai back buoyant lah.
Okay.
Kau pakai backfloat?
Yeah, the Hydrox lah. The
Hydrox.
Yeah. I used to wear the jacket, the Aqualung one, and then Prema's using that now.
I see. Oh, drop macam tu je. Dia tak minta barang baru kat kau?
Tak ada lah.
Full color coded ke?
She tak minta barang baru mana bro. That's
That
why I
means
married her.
that means bila married ni biasa Indian dia family members lah apa yang kenal lah. Dia nak tengok isteri dia kena berisik sikit. Oh, you are happy. That means you suruh dia diet lah ni. So dah pakai
Tak
BCD,
ada
the
lah,
same
tak-
BCD.
No, never. I never asked her to diet before in my
you need
life.
to diet because
That's
my
suicide.
BCD you need to diet because I want to
suicidal,
pass,
bro.
pass my BCD.
Aku imagine lah. Dia dekat bawah keluar. Member pakai isu. Do I look fat in this?
Oh no, Ian.
No.
I
You
don't know
look hot.
what you're talking about. Yeah.
Itu standard question kan?
Yeah.
So, biasa kau answer macam mana?
If she asked me that,
Kau cakap, do I look fat in this?
immediate, like below 1 millisecond I'll say no. Yeah, she never does. You never fat, never ever.
No apa,
Never was.
No pun firm no. No.
No.
Bukan,
I don't know why.
sebab
Are you blind?
kena jawab terus. Kalau tak, no dinner tonight.
Sebab if you do evaluation, you already salah
No
already.
dinner tak apa bro. Tidur luar.
Yeah.
Memang main jambang kat
Jangan
luar, kat
pandang,
porch.
don't look up and down. No, just answer no. If you say no, also wrong already.
Tak, bila tak, even you cakap,
Salah already. Yeah, it's all reflex question.
bagus lah bro. I kena belajar juga benda tu. Sebab kadang kalau my wife tanya kan, nampak gemuk lah. Macam tu. Tak adalah, okay kan. That means lepas ni terus jawab straight away.
Kau jangan kan jadi macam rock kena beli jiwa.
By the way, tadi you cakap you dah pakai bed buoyant kan?
Yeah.
Bila, okay, first equipment yang you beli apa?
It was a donut I bought second-hand from Daphne.
No, first equipment. It means,
First ever equipment. A mask and fin lah.
Masa film.
Yeah, a Hollis mask and some fin. I don't remember the brand. Both were okay. Yeah.
And then lepas tu baru for the big stuff lah.
Then I bought Divecom.
Divecom dulu.
Yeah.
Divecom apa pakai?
The first one is D4i lah yang biasa. Now I pakai Garmin lah.
Aku macam kenal je D4i tu.
Everybody was tengah pakai masa tu, right? So yeah, you kenal the D4i. Yes.
Kau bagi kat bini kau kan.
Yeah, bagi kat bini.
Tengok.
Everything I pass down, bro. Semua I pass down. I think the one that is hers is only her fins only.
Fins for her lah.
Yeah, her jet fins.
Warna perempuan lah.
Yeah.
Jet fin.
Yeah, for her pink jet fins only she wear.
Oh.
Yeah.
Bini dia diving mantap bro.
That means bini
Surprisingly,
bini dia lagi power daripada dia lah.
Power. Lagi power. Memang lagi power.
Tu standard answer. Tu very standard answer tu.
Itulah sebab dia kena jadi dive pro. Bila jadi dive pro, kita akan straight away komen. You kena betulkan sikit ni, sikit ni.
Tidur luar juga. Memang confirm tidur luar nanti kan.
Aduh.
Actually, Prema didn't want to dive at first because
Dia tak nak?
because she did the open water at second attempt.
Oh, second attempt.
First item tak lepas.
Tak dapat. Also sinus problem.
First attempt dekat mana?
Perhentian. But I think after when she didn't have her certification, I je yang pergi holiday kan diving. Tengok gambar she cannot tahan already. She's on the second time.
Either dia tak nak tahan, tak pun dia takut kau ni kat
Tak ada.
Aku kena teman laki aku ni.
This is different motivation already. So she went.
tepuk kau sekali naughty.
So she went, conquered her fear, got certified. Now she's also a rescue diver.
Oh,
Yeah.
terbaik lah.
She got certified last year.
So kau dah settle advance.
Yeah.
Kau dengan Prema ni rescue sama-sama ke?
Tak. I buat rescue dengan Arif dulu. Lepas tu Prema buat rescue dengan Rakesh and all these guys lah. Yeah.
Terbaik lah.
Good decision. Jangan buat rescue
know.
dengan
Jangan
bini.
buat sama-sama.
Dia potensi untuk gaduh tu very high.
Very high. Yeah. I saw the exercise. It's the most fun course, by the way, in my opinion.
Yep.
I enjoyed that one the most.
Penat kan?
I can imagine if I did it with my spouse, it'll be a different story. Yeah,
Yes.
very power.
Memang akan buat gaduh.
Yeah,
Biasa kalau kat rumah kau tidur dekat depan Porsche.
Betul.
Dekat resort, kau tidur dekat dive shop, ataupun kau tidur kat beranda
pasir.
je. Tak apa, hammock banyak. Kat mana perhentian?
Tak, this one is Viking lah.
Oh,
Yeah,
dekat
Viking.
Rangoon.
After my advance, semua I buat kat Viking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my specialty semua buat kat Viking.
Dia macam ambassador je.
Mana ada tak ada lah. Dekat bro, dekat.
Oh,
Senang.
dekat.
Dia trip kan, senang.
Senang.
Travel
3.5 hours come back.
That was the discussion before kan. Why Dungun ni naik? Dungun ni naik because easy access.
Easy access.
Kau habis kerja hari Jumaat, gatal-gatal masa tengah orang pergi sembahyang Jumaat kan, masa tengah free 2 hours kan, cakap
Discuss.
ada spot tak? Cakap berapa? Ada 3. Call kawan-kawan, let's drive up, tidur kejap about 4 or 5 hours, esok diving, Sunday diving, Monday balik.
No need to take leave also.
Yeah.
That's the main part actually.
Tadi pasal equipment ni tak habis lagi. Lepas beli Divecom,
Then
buat tak puas hati ni nak korek pula.
then I bought my BCD and rack together.
Okay.
Your jacket lah Wan.
The jacket one, the Aqualang one.
Regulator?
Aqualang also. And then
Upgrade.
yeah. I mean then
Itu dah premium dah tu.
yeah.
Oh.
And then I went to buy for Prema because we do.
Kau beli untuk dia, kau tak pass down pula kat dia.
Tak. We went to buy a gear. Don't know yet. Sebab kita we were doing LOBs like once or twice a year.
Okay.
But the rental were sakit lah.
LOB rental memang mahal.
sakit lah. So I was thinking, I mean, all the LOBs we're gonna dive together again. So if I calculate 2 years of rental, already can buy gear.
Yeah.
That's the calculation I did.
Because you frequent.
Exactly. So then I decided to get a second set lah for Prema. But then I wanted to I asked Prema what she wants. She want the jacket, so I just give my jacket lah. Then I try something else. Then I went to buy a regulator for myself and pass my old one to Prema also lah.
Okay, that means you upgrade your equipment lah. Okay, bila you dah upgrade tu kan, dia tanya tak mahal ke murah atau dia tanya harga?
Prema.
What's your reason?
no
Ataupun ada
lah,
excuse?
she don't ask lah.
Kau ni macam kau je kena selalu macam
Tak,
ni.
sebab gua
Like he's finding the playbook.
Pasal bini dia ni dive pro juga.
sebab gua suka tukar-tukar barang.
You cannot lebong her, you know.
Sebab tak
lebong
puas
her,
hati
you-
bila orang lepas-lepas macam ish, kan. Sebab gua tukar-tukar barang. Lepas tu bila dah sedap ni, try lain-lain kan. Lepas tu dia tanya, berapa ni kan? Murah je.
The thing is, engkau satu-satunya dive pro lah. Manusia yang dive pro bukan dive shop owner ke ataupun center owner kan. Barang dia lagi banyak pada dive shop.
Ya ke?
Ya.
I mean, what I understand.
Dia bukan belas tau, dia berpuluh lah ni. Kau nak buat apa barang-barang banyak-banyak ni? Adalah.
Collection.
Ada tu dia punya future plans. Bro, kau tahu tak? Syah ni kan, last yang aku jumpa dia, diving sekali kan. Kau tahu dia tapau 2 bot.
Dia bawa geng-geng dia.
Dia tapau 2 bot. Okey,
Terbaik.
cari bot lagi satu. Nak accommodate diver lain.
Ya ke? Kau third boat dah? You all take a third boat on that day?
Dia tahu dia third boat dah. I rasa ada third boat.
Oh, okay.
Third boat ke?
Dia bawa geng-geng dia.
So itu lah.
Masa first masuk Mabul unplanned, that means 3 orang jalan, 2 stified.
Plan,
So,
lepas tu
merebak kan.
pergi perhentian, ambil.
Gempak agak lu punya vibes kan.
Lepas tu dia punya semangat tinggi kan. Enthusiasm dia ni, dia bukan, kita tengok dengar, bukan bini je dia tarik. Anak berapa? 2 orang kan? 2 orang.
7 and 8 years old.
7 and 8 years old. Waiting.
Hmm.
Sikit lagi 2 tahun memang kau campak open water terus.
Lepas
So dia pergi diving, anak dia bawa sekali.
on board.
On board.
Terbaik
Last tu,
bro.
tapi dia pandai kan. Yang last sekali kan, last trip sekali kan ni. Dia pergi boat lain. Dia campak bini dengan anak dia boat lain.
Pandai buat kerja.
Masa tu tengah buka
Not my
musim. Tengah buka musim. Anak dia menjerit, menangis daripada start sampai habis. 40 minit nak sampai ke pulau.
My daughter.
Dia menjerit.
Itu kenapa dia
Sebab
menjerit?
rough.
Rough.
The boat change into flight. Change to aeroplane.
Yang captain yang bawa tu captain racing yang kita kenal sebab tu.
Air, Kapten Air.
Tapi sampai pulau straight away.
Diam.
Tukar dia punya feel, pakai mask, snorkel, fin, terus terjun, tak cakap banyak. Balik, berombak sekali. Nangis balik kan. Sampai jeti, relax. Makan kopok ke apa.
Betul.
So, bukan setakat family. Dia tarik kawan-kawan dia sekali. Bukan seorang 2. 2 bot. Terror.
Dua
Aku buat
buat
macam mana.
power
Actually, biasanya if I want to invite, I invite 2-3 orang. Then I see, okay lah, ada yang I have like past conversation dengan my friends. Ada yang nak try, tapi don't know want to try or not. All macam need a bit of push and nudge je lah. So all those guys I just call lah. I say I already arranged for you ma. This is ready, accommodation is ready. The accommodation also I booked for everyone. So no one have to think so much. Just show up only. If you try open water, kalau tak jadi tak apalah, can reattempt. At least you know if this is for you or not. Right?
Yeah.
So, but then surprisingly, everybody comes lah. Yeah, and one by one, they want to bring their friend. Macam I invite Steph kan. Suddenly she wants to bring her brother, then her friend that she.
Itulah berjangkit-jangkit.
Yeah,
Yang girlfriend dia
berjangkit-jangkit
ni
lah,
lah pula
betul lah.
kawan sana.
Sebab apa? Sebab benda ni sekarang dah jadi trend. Kan? Lepas tu bila you invite, sebab dia orang pun kadang-kadang if they are doing something else, lepas tu dia orang pun tak ada geng-geng, lepas tu you buat benda lain.
Betul.
Why don't you try?
Yang kalau macam dia ajak seorang 2 itu kita faham. So kita pull up satu boat, dia lain-lain geng.
Ni
Yang ni
2
satu geng, satu kepala dia punya geng. Lepas tu aku rasa kan dia punya jambang dengan misai tu dia punya pemanis tu.
Mana ada, tak ada.
Senyum dia
Saka
manis bro.
kuat, bro.
Tak payah bro. Senyum dia manis.
Tak, saka dia ni kuat ya, pelaris dia tinggi.
But yeah, I'm blessed. I have,
Yes,
I mean, I have all these friends and family that love to do what I do. So it's just glad that dapat dive dengan dorang lah. Yeah.
Tapi kau punya feel lah, karakter kau kan. Bila kau datang, duduk senyum dengan kita dah cakap, alah tenang, aku rasa macam best podcast hari ni.
Yelah, I mean, why everyone so stressed? Just we already at the boat, just chill lah.
Macam
kan?
kita punya podcast lah. Kita punya podcast chill.
Yeah.
Cakap, gelak, apa semua kan. And then everyone, kita natural. Tak ada nak, serius-serius.
Monit lah.
Ni, tu, ni kan. Kita just chill. You nak cakap, you cakap. Kan, betul tak?
Betul.
Kita tak ada cakap, bro, kau tak boleh cakap ni. Tak ada. Kita chill je. That means, you show your own character.
Correct.
And then, you sampaikan apa
You
nak
let loose a
sampai.
bit lah.
Yeah.
You show, yeah. I mean, I think kan, most of the people who I brought to try diving, they all come back not just because of the underwater experience, but the whole
package.
Driving there, having dinner together, chilling at home.
Yeah.
Dia kepuk-lekuk.
Yeah.
Sebab tu diving ni, dia punya
Yes.
bonding kan.
Also, I think lepas you dive, you start at macam you bangun pukul 6.30, 7.30, you start your day kan, and you come back from the dive site to back to the jetty macam pukul 3, pukul 4. Then you get tired. That tired is very nice. Then the tired also we go, okay guys, let's have some tea or what together, chill, talk about the dive. Then the beginner divers will ask for advice. The seasoned divers will talk about what they saw. So it's all good vibes lah at the end of the day.
Itu dia pasal ni dengan certain dive pro kan yang kita punya guest Pak I kan kenal juga kan. So we had this discussion here. What really takes you and what makes you want to go into diving? Is it the dive? It's not the dive actually. Dive is just portion of it, part of it. Lifestyle tu.
Yes.
The lifestyle. So sebiji lah, memang tepat lah dia punya mantra tu kan. Go places, meet people, and do things.
Doing things.
Yes.
So yang manis-manis. By the way, dia ni bukan member dia saja dia tarik. Keluarga dia tarik sekali. Mak bapak dia tarik bawa promotor.
Mak bapak dia.
Dengan adik-beradik dia pun dia tarik.
Oh yeah.
Bapak umur berapa tahun bro?
66. My
When
mother is 63.
When he's 35.
He couldn't make it.
Oh, he couldn't make it.
He had.
But he tried lah.
He tried lah. He had this bit of anxiety of breathing through a regulator. So masa confined water also got a bit of panic already lah. So I don't want to push. My mother was okay.
Huh? Your mother is okay?
Yeah, mother's okay. Just that the fitness only. So she cannot do the sisa. So when she reached the surface pun, she cannot manually inflate. So that's why
Berat.
yeah. She did it the second time. But second time also tak jadi. Tapi masa tu Dane cakap, I think better she just become scuba lah. More safer anyway. Kalau
But
she
still okay,
kalau she dapat open water pun, it's still not safe for her to go without an instructor ke. For me safety number one kan. Yeah. So but my mother give me stress because she always want to be a diver and go down and see. Right? I say,
That means dia nak lagi.
Dia nak. Yeah. I just convince. I say you can do. So I prep her macam bring her to give her some strength training just to get the legs a bit stronger, the shoulders a bit stronger, because all of this kalau you tak strong, you makan a lot of energy masa you dive kan, and then you makan a lot of energy, then you affect the dive juga. So I try to prep her as much as I can lah. So at least God bless, she dapat scuba diver. And we managed to do her first fun dive the last trip that we went. And that was the first time I did a fun dive with my mother lah.
That's
full
nice.
day,
That's
full
sweet.
day. Yeah, with my mother and my sister. Yeah, so and she was good.
Your sister pun diving juga?
Yeah, my sister. My sister did okay.
Dia tarik juga?
Yeah, tarik juga.
Semua bro.
My sister, two of my cousin's girlfriend. I think I maybe brought like 10 people at least easily. Yeah.
Members, family members.
Kawan dia.
Kawan lagi ramai.
I think at least 10 non-divers become divers. Yeah, because of
kawan
lah.
dia tarik, bawa boyfriend pergi diving sekali.
Ya, betul.
Kawan dia ambil course, tarik adik kawan dia buat course juga. Adik kawan dia tu tarik orang lain pula. Cakap, kau punya way ni kan, kau punya jalan ni kan, Macam MLM kau tu.
Betul.
I don't know lah bro. Connection. It's all about human connection.
Ni bukan scam dah kau tu. Ni MLM ni.
Not MLM. Ini memang betul. It's all connection, right? Like macam you know Luka and Afia as well. They decided to try and then they loved it. Afia was memang invested. Masuklah. Luka still macam, why would I buy my own gear and all that? And now he bought his own gear. And he's going to Marathon next year. So 6 months of diving changed his whole mindset already.
Wow.
You know? So it's a bit fascinating to see because I would never guess that he would buy his own gear. I think he would forever. You tahu the character kan? You tahu the character kan?
Ini datang suka-suka, datang makan kopok je lah kot.
Betul lah pasal. Then tiba-tiba he just went shopping kan. Say, "Ui, you buying a gear is a huge deal, bro."
Yeah, man.
It's a huge deal. I say, welcome. Okay.
I mean, Afia I understand.
Afia
Dia memang majestic. Dia dengan staff member dia cakap, next year kita nak buat rescue. Matilah cakap. But one thing for sure kan, yang masa boat tengah macam ni tu, anak engkau yang perempuan tu, dia peluk Afia tak lepas tau.
Yeah. I heard.
Dia peluk, kejap mak dia, kejap Afia, kejap mak dia. Dia tak ada buat apa dah.
My son is more of the water guy.
Guy.
Daughter kau cakap apa? Macam mana? Kalau boleh.
Can we reach the island without the boat or not? I mean, in all seriousness kan, I'm only able to bawa my kids because of Viking. Diorang arrange properly lah. Like Captain IE, make sure my kids are
safe,
okay with him, they're comfortable with him.
Tu dah macam dia punya uncle.
Exactly. Yeah. So I mean, it wouldn't have happened if kalau Mat E didn't help me arrange all of this as well. I'm trying to get them biasakan dengan the boat life, wait there without the parents, you know, get a bit independent a bit. Lepas tu, and my son cannot wait. She said, "Can I do bubble maker already or not? Do I really have to wait till I'm 10 years old to do junior or not?"
He's 8, right?
He's 8.
Mesti anak dia banyak cakap. Sebab apa? Bila budak-budak macam ni, dia tak sabar nak tunggu masa dia nak turun tu.
Dia dah hafal the gear all, dia dah hafal dah hafal.
Dia pusing. Orang tengah tukar, dia tunggu, dia relax. Kau dah habis tukar gear, cakap, oh ni apa? Ni regulator. Ni apa ni? Primary. Oh primary ni first stage. Oh ni tangki. Oh inilah BCD. Tekan butang ni, angin masuk. This is inflate, this is deflate. Kau nak main lah. Ketek. Don't play too much.
Habis ni.
That is mine. Dia kan habis angin aku kan. Cakap, okay. Lepas dia tanya lah, aku pakai tanduk ke SMB. SMB orang dah release kan. Biasa kita release letak tabuk memang inflated. Waktu bersepah kan. Kita nak make sure equipment semua dekat dalam spot dia kan, dalam slot. Dia lah pergi bawa SMB, dia pergi deflate, dia pergi gulung.
Ada assistant dah.
Budak umur 8 tahun.
8 tahun ya.
Cedik.
Siapa roll aku punya SMB?
Okay, back to your mother tadi kan.
Yeah.
Masa dia diving, the last trip you been, you buddy dia ke atau you berbuddy dengan dia ke atau the dive master ke atau instructor ke?
So I think that dive Rod was the guy.
Dia kena one to one.
And then my mother buddy with my sister. I just belakang dorang je lah. Just behind them only lah.
Takut.
My eye is on them only the
entire
entire
diver
time.
kan. Dia
Bukan. Tu kita tahu.
Yeah.
Tak, sebab kadang kan bila 3 still buddy juga. Tapi bila ada anak lelaki kan, hey, don't go far away, come with me. Manalah tahu kan, dia dah awal-awal lari tu.
Aku sebenarnya aku nak tengok cakap, oh mak ada atas boat ni, aku nak tengok dia kena rotan ni. Tengok mak tak bawa rotan lah. Aku bagi pointer bagus juga.
I yang rotan tadi. After she dive, the first dive, I started taking notes what to tell her to improve. But I also know if I give too many things, she'll forget everything.
Betul.
So
lepas
I give
nanti dia akan
one or two things I give only lah. And then after she improve 1 or 2 things, I give another 1 or 2 things lah.
That's great lah.
Kau tunggu masa dia start buying her own gear lah.
Itulah pasal.
Dia beli own gear. Okay, Syam, bila next trip?
Pocket eye je yang burn.
Tapi bagus. Susah nak cari. Betul nak cari. Yang ni, thank you so much bro. Pasal being here tonight kan.
Oh no, anytime.
Esok malam, dia ni pergi trip. Bukan trip. Dekat-dekat ni, jauh-jauh. Mana kau pergi?
Maratua.
Berapa orang pergi?
8.
8. Dia tak charter dua boat kan.
Actually, I pun tak tahu. I don't know how we
Oh,
getting
yang ni different
there
arrangement
or
lah.
where. I just know this is my flight. I'm gonna land there. I'm gonna dive.
Tapi same circle lah.
Same circle lah. It's the same guys. Luca, Afia, Daphne, Chris, me and Prema.
Dia bukan same
Rakesh and
circle
Steph.
bro. Dia same suspect.
Same suspect.
Same suspect. Dia orang syndicate sebenarnya. Sama lah ni.
Sebab kita syndicate same suspect.
Nice, nice.
Tapi the beautiful thing is, kau buat ni kan, is not profit driven tau.
No lah.
Dia passion driven.
Passion lah.
Macam kita juga lah kot kan. Ni passion project kat ni kan. Dia
It's passion project, it's
driven,
passion
bro.
project.
Dia passion driven. Susah nak cari. Susah nak cari. It's a beautiful thing. It's a good thing that you're doing now.
Yeah.
Share with everyone lah.
Yeah, it's just by accident. It's not even a thing. It's just as I'm just trying to call people to come and just dive together lah, right? But a lot of us are very busy people. We all are busy people trying to cari makan, right? And we have free time. It's good to find the right group to spend your time with, especially when you go diving pun. Yeah.
Pasal dia equipment extensive sport or equipment extensive activity kan. Lepas tu it's more fun with other people.
Correct.
Ya kan. Pasal if you do it alone, it's same thing like drinking kan. You
Yeah.
don't drink alone, you got problem. You drink with other people, you share the problem.
But some people like to go solo trips, and that's fine too, you know.
Yang tu tengok agenda lah. Kau biasa agenda.
That's the bachelor agenda.
Tak, kadang-kadang ada separuh orang dia suka jalan solo sebab dia malas nak pening pasal orang lain.
Ya, betul lah.
Ada orang macam tu?
Aku jalan
Make
solo.
sense.
Yeah.
Aku dulu jalan solo.
Are you sure?
Ha?
Are you sure?
Bila dah nak start pro tu aku enthusiastic sikit lah. Tapi it's more cakap mana dia passion driven. But after while aku jalan solo.
Ya, sama macam aku dulu lah. Bila kita nak pergi new place, macam aku suka discover dulu dekat tempat tu, aku pergi solo dulu. Lepas tu yang I come out with trips. Bila come out with trips, kita tahu dah. Transport, everything. Kalau apa jadi, ni nak pakai ni. In case of anything happen, nak contact mana apa semua. Sebab tu kadang mula-mula cakap, kau pergi. Even aku jumpa Rod pun dekat Pulau Weh, aku seorang.
Kau seorang?
Aku seorang, aku tumpang bilik dia. Tu yang it's different. Tapi bila kau pergi in group, the vibe is different lah. Kau boleh gelak ramai-ramai ni. Bila kau seorang, kau nak kenal orang baru, kadang orang tak nak lepak kita. Betul. Tapi in the same time, you know new diver, new people.
Tapi orang tak nak lepak dengan you, gay lah. Handsome, berkaliber.
Mula handsome.
Dive shop owner.
Cuba buka topi tengok.
Terima kasih bang. Tak boleh, nanti dia sinar. Tabu cakap dah sikit, pecah
Forward
lens.
lighting.
Crack.
Lighting nak kena edit. Nak kena edit sikit.
Susah sikit lah.
I like your cap though. It's Viking cap, is it?
Ya. Terima kasih bang. Limited edition.
Limited edition. Tak
edition.
pernah nampak pun.
Buat sendiri ni.
Nanti tunggulah Scuba Syndicate punya cap.
Okay, boleh.
Dia nak tahu pasal apa standby cap ni. Untuk midday je sebenarnya. Okay, by the way bro. Kau kan, kau dah buat banyak trip kan. Kau keluar trip kan. Banyak tempat yang kau pergi ni. Roughly kan. Kau dah pergi Pulau Weh baru balik kan that day.
Yeah, last year December. My trips where I've been.
Okay, jap. Sebelum tu Malaysia dulu. Mana dah
Malaysia.
semua dah pergi
Kau dah
mana?
tapau dah semua
ke?
pulau.
Perhentian, Tenggol, Sipadan, Mabul, Tioman.
Cuman
I think yang belum touch is Lang Tengah lah.
Redang,
Au?
Belum lagi. Au so belum.
Au Dayang.
Yeah, these three belum.
Awo Dayang, Lang Tengah,
Kapas.
Bidong,
Belum.
Bidong.
So, not yet.
Tapi dia dah dive luar. Oh.
Johor pun banyak ke island ke tu.
Ya,
Dia ada
itu,
besar,
ya,
dia ada
ya.
kecil, dia ada
Ya.
pemanggil. Lepas tu dia ada Awo Dayang.
So which one would you recommend? The one
Pulau
that I didn't,
Tinggi.
that I
Pulau
didn't
Tinggi.
visit yet. If I have time in, which one you would recommend?
All of them.
All of them.
Pasal
Right.
each different island ni kan, dia
Dia
karakter
different lah.
tersendiri. And then dia ada certain interest point tau. Interesting
Okay,
point
okay.
dia, lain-lain kan.
Makes sense.
Yeah, like what they say lah, different folk, different strokes.
Yeah.
Because laksa and mi Jawa is two different thing.
Kenapa laksa dengan mi Jawa? Kenapa tak laksa Sarawak ke?
Ini aku Johor lah.
Oh, sebab tu dia promote diving kat Johor.
Yeah. Okay.
Very good, very interesting
alright.
island. Tioman bawah Pahang by the way.
Yeah.
Lang Tengah there's a resort there.
Yeah.
That does kan.
I think there's two now, there's three.
I'm not sure. Yang tahu
running
Summer
resort
Bay.
Is it Summer Bay? I think I saw Summer Bay
Yang
one.
ada tu tak.
Summer Bay dengan di Coconut.
Oh, di Coconut.
I'm not sure about apa benda Sari.
Oh, Sari Pacifica.
Aku pernah operate dulu kejap. Dive
Yeah.
shop dekat dive center dekat Sari. One of the best time ever. One of the best dive also. Because why? Lang Tengah ni, that particular resort, if you go to Summer Bay pun best juga.
Yeah.
Kau buat nak dive dekat depan tu je.
Yeah, I saw the shore dive.
You
Very
see
clean.
everything.
Very nice.
Lepas tu ada apa? Guitar Shark.
Guitar Shark.
Kat sana kan. Selalu
Oh,
resident
okay.
sana. Tak tahu tahun ni ada lagi ke tak?
Yang masa aku, dia jarang masuk.
Jarang masuk.
But black tip, malam-malam senang lah kau nak nampak. Octopus pun senang.
Octopus,
Anak saudara aku panggil Opetus.
Oh, petes.
Apa ke benda Opetus ni? Cakap, oh benda ni sotong kurita.
Macam Biningging.
In the miniging.
In the Biningging. Okay bro, tadi dah dekat Malaysia kan?
Outside,
Luar pula?
Komodo,
Wow.
Malapascua, Raja Empat,
Raja Ampat dah pergi.
Maldives. That's all lah.
Aku terkejut yang dia cakap
The one I belum buat lagi is Bandasi. And I
Oh, Pulau Weh dah pergi.
Pulau Weh dah pergi dah. Bandasi and I want to do Komodo LOB.
LOB.
Oh, LOB land base. You
Jadi
should
time I did
go
scuba
LOB.
junkie Komodo.
Semalam kita ada Komodo, the King of Komodo. Yang sebelah kau tu Prince of Komodo tu.
Is it?
Dia turun pangkat sikit, dia tak boleh sama kat. Member semalam cakap,
My honeymoon was in Komodo.
Is it?
Yeah,
Oh, serious?
Yeah, serious.
So together with the Komodo Dragons.
Yes. But the Komodo Dragons was at the other island kan. This one was at Flores, I think.
Oh, Flores.
Yeah.
Dia low buaya ke
Yeah.
apa?
Telur buaya dekat Ringka.
Yeah.
That means honeymoon dekat sana dive. Time tu belum diving lagi.
Diving.
Oh, diving?
Yeah, we're diving.
Oh,
Yeah,
terbaik bro.
Yeah.
Oh.
I can't remember the last time I went to island and didn't dive bro. Dah lama dah.
Yang tu tak apa bro, jangan lupa anniversary.
Betul.
Date of anniversary. Yang benda-benda lain tak apa.
Bila wedding anniversary?
February 3rd. You know why? No bro, I tell you why.
Bro, lu buat
kau pernah main Monopoly
perangkap
tak?
tau.
Kau pernah main Monopoly tak? Yang paling mahal, you remember tak? Ya, property mana?
Bond Street, Oxford
Good. Yeah. Then the last two blue colour.
Trafalgar Square.
No. Mayfair and Park Lane.
Mayfair Park Lane.
Yang paling mahal
last
kan?
kali, last kali
so
tu.
this is the same as for me early February. Paling mahal for my pocket. Because 29 January is my son's birthday.
Oh yo, okay.
2nd February is Prima's birthday.
Aduh.
3rd February is my anniversary.
Oh.
And then 1 week later, Valentine's Day.
Aduh.
Bankrupt.
Birthday kau bila?
November 16 bro. By the time we reach end of the year, nobody have money
Nobody
to spend for
remember
me
dia.
already. Nobody remember me
Bro,
already.
tapi time tu lah kau kena ada trip luar.
Ya betul lah.
That means one shot.
But that time it's very hard because it's close season what this time.
No,
only Pulau Weh lah.
ada tempat yang
lah, yeah.
By the way, tadi aku tanya, I'm not putting him on the spot.
Sure.
Tapi kalau terkena,
I escape, yeah.
kalau just in case kata lupa cakap, Tabu boleh itu post edit.
No, don't worry. I remember because it's a day after Prema's birthday. So
Nasib baik kau
Nasib
bro.
baik, nasib
Salah
baik.
jawab tu. Tak apa, kita semua lato-lato ni kita faham je. Kena potong.
yeah.
Okay, Komodo
Raja Empat.
yang belum pergi
yang belum pergi Bandasi lah.
Bandasi
Yeah.
Raja Empat je sorry. Raja Empat kau buat apa? Yang land base ke LOB?
Both I did land based first,
Both,
and then
both.
I went there twice. The first time I did land based, second time I did LOB.
Kau buat 2 kali pergi
Yeah,
Raja
because I
Empat.
want to do LOB.
That means masa first tu bila dah pergi land base macam do you feel like macam rugi pula
A
aku
bit
buat,
lah.
kan?
Masa tu I didn't know about Raja Empat so much, but that's the opportunity we had masa tu to go there, and we didn't have a crew to do LOB. That's the hardest part to do LOB in the beginning. Because
In
we
the
didn't have
beginning.
in the beginning. We didn't know how to do it because we didn't have people to do charter a boat.
No.
So now got big group already.
Yes.
Yeah, so to do LOB is matter of getting people's schedule right, price right, can jalan lah.
Apa?
I know.
next.
No, I know. I can see where you're heading.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No.
exactly.
2 and 2, 4 and 4 together, whatever.
Yes.
Tapi
But we yet to do LOB with this group, the Tangle group, right? We have not done LOB yet together. You know. The LOB I've done, I have to join another group. They managed to charter, but this group belum lagi. I'm waiting lah.
Kalau kau nak panggil apa ni, kau dah buat LOB and all this and that, but you need what you call to invite the production crew to do
I'll keep that in mind.
do a podcast there untuk orang pun.
Mobile podcast on the yacht Okay lah, boleh juga. It makes sense.
Nak tengok
Lepas
kau,
you keluar air, you terus duduk kat
nak
sini.
tengok dia masa ni pasal Prema supposed to be here kan, cakap dia cakap kesian Prema, cakap nanti next time Prema.
Ya, sebab ada 2 kids kan.
Kalau Prema ada sini aku nak tengok dia senyap ke macam mana ke kan. Lepas tu anak dia lagi-lagi kan. Itu best tu.
Maybe after my anak-anak do their junior or bubble maker, they can come and sit and talk to you about it.
Boleh.
Boleh.
That would be good.
Yeah.
That would be a good
hopefully
angle.
we will continue all the way.
Aku takut kita tak tahu nak tanya soalan apa dia cakap ke.
Kan.
You should bring Daphne and her nephew.
Daphne busy lah.
Like busy, or she's shy.
Daphne, this is already the 4th attempt.
Fourth, definitely 4th attempt.
Sorry, 3rd. I think 4th attempt dia.
You should interview Daphne and Chris, because Chris sebelum jumpa Daphne tak dive langsung.
Yes.
Sekarang rescue diver already.
Chris, ya.
Express lane, you know. You went from 0 to 100, you know.
Come to think about it kan, aku rasa majority of your team kan, your team or your gang kan, kita gang ya, yang dia orang punya smuggling syndicate dia orang ni. Asal suku ada kot aku
Yeah,
sikit
easily. I think half lah, bro. Easily. You touch in some part of the process. In the EFR or in the open water, in the confined water, you should have.
Yeah. I'm just parting knowledge, but you guys touch me here.
Where do you plan for your next trip? Malapascua?
No, next trip is it?
Maratua.
Maratua, yeah.
Maratua,
After
kan?
Maratua, don't know yet, because got some personal project I'm tengah busy with, but my target is Bandasi. And then
That means Bandasi should be next year lah.
September lah I'm trying.
This coming
September. Trying.
Nanti
But maybe
nanti kita discuss.
nanti susah sikit. Tapi
Selingan.
Sebab
Sebab
I got a special deal for Ring of Fire
what is that?
from Alo to Bandasi.
Awak dia dah jual dah juga.
Tak, bukan. Bila pasal bandar ni, bro, you dah pergi Raja Ampat. Aku dah pergi banyak kali Raja Ampat. Lepas tu bila bandar ni is totally different. I got from last year punya trip. Dia dah pergi bandar, dia belum pergi Raja Ampat tau. Dia suruh repeat trip. Dia kata, bro, kita repeat bandar, aku tak puas. Sebab bandar is different. Even pergi time tu
Bandar Nira apa bukan?
Bandar Nira.
Bandar Nira.
Even time tu jumpa one hammerhead sebab kita dah pergi end of October. Lepas tu I'm trying to do next trip on the mid of September, memang hammer season. Lepas tu kata, bro, menarik ni bro. Tapi aku cakap 11 hari 10 malam on board. Are you ready?
Berapa 11 hari?
11 hari?
From Alo. That means you cover Alo, Bandar, Ambon.
Oh yo.
Sebab kalau minimum pun LOB kalau untuk bandar saja 6 day 5 night lah.
Betul.
Tapi bila you dah sampai sana once, sebab lagi-lagi sekarang flight pun dah mahal kan.
Yeah.
Dia problem 11 hari ni, aku balik kunci dengan padlock tak match.
Bukan. Tak jumpa jalan. Mana pagar rumah ni? Mana pagar rumah?
Tak jumpa jalan satu
Shifted.
Aduh.
11 hari difficult lah.
Bawalah I LHDN dah clear.
Alamak.
Yeah, but the next LOB pun I'm trying to plan this group sebab at least they okay with my kids coming with me, so they can also lepak at the LOB lah. That's because all the LOB I went without my kids.
Tapi kau bagus lah bro. Kau pergi mana? Aku tengok kau bawa anak.
I try to do that lah bro. I try to do that sebab how you say it's not about how expensive the vacation is with your kids, but it's the vacation of the kids.
It's the bonding.
It's the bonding.
the moment.
Yeah, whatever. You can bawa pergi anywhere. You go to Bukit Gasing also. So
Aku suka kau punya strategi. Because why? Kau bawa anak kan, kau tak risau pasal apa? Aunty dengan uncle satu boat ni ramai. Memang boleh cuci tangan dia.
I mean, I don't need to do because my group they always say I'm the only one with kids. Yang lain semua tak ada.
Belum lagi.
Belum lagi. So they get the benefit lah, my kids lah. You know, I'm quite lucky lah. So, but that's the target, just to bring them to LOB, let them see, you know, what's all about, and then dip themselves in the water and then see how lah.
Ini bukan starting from small saja kot. Dia dah tanam dia dah racun, dia dah tanam benih. Dia dah groom baiknya pada kecil lagi dah. Oh, I cannot wait, man.
Yeah,
I cannot wait for you.
I cannot wait.
Sebab umur 8 tahun dia dah tahu nak all the
Yeah.
equipment. That means dia excited lah for sure.
Bro, just to let you know,
Yeah.
kau kena buat fitness sikit. Kau kena fit sikit.
At bandar.
Saya sudah ajar saya punya anak.
Okay.
Saya punya anak. Dia belum lagi certified.
Okay.
Soon.
How old is your son?
Daughter.
How is your daughter?
She's 12.
Okay.
She's 12. Masa dia 10 years old, aku bawa dia DSD kan.
okay.
Kat now just DSD
Okay,
je dekat
okay.
pulau. Oh, the energy these kids have kan is unbelievable.
Betul.
Kau
What
rasa
is
kau
your experience?
Huh?
What is your experience?
they want to touch everything, they get excited have everything.
in the water?
Kau tanya ni, anak diving kan?
In the water?
Yeah.
Oh, really? So,
It started with snorkeling.
Okay.
So I go pulau, I try my best, generally I go pulau, I try to bring family. So at the time I teach or at the time I guide, do my work and all, even during my work days, late afternoon, early evening, I try bawa my daughter pergi snorkeling.
Okay.
Just go out, just me and her. It's like father-daughter punya bonding
Has she
time kan.
breathed through regulator before yet?
Already.
And how she's okay?
Snorkeling okay, no problem.
Okay.
Life jacket, take out the life jacket, just bring the inflatable sausage kan. Just use that. If you need
To-
to hang around,
okay.
let's go swim out.
Okay.
Swim out. And she's excited.
Yeah.
So dia tak boleh wait tau nak.
Oh, okay. When is the plan?
This year?
This year. Nice.
Soon. Soon.
Kena tengok schedule lah.
Okay je. Pasal dia start diving, the moment she started that DSD kan, dia start everything she touch, she want to touch.
Yes,
Coral nak pegang, cannot. Dia nak pegang Nemo dia nak pegang ikan tu, dia nak pegang penyu, no
Betul,
touch.
budak-budak memang excited bila underwater. Lepas tu dia hyper tau.
And then in your experience when budak-budak go diving kan, what is like the thing you watch out as an instructor ke dive master?
Safety first.
Safety lah.
Safety first. Because why? Budak-budak ni, there's a reason why dia punya prerequisite has to be 10 years old.
Okay.
Aside from age, you need to look at the physical form.
Fitness
budak tu
and
kan.
mobility and strength.
The main thing is for the lungs.
Okay.
Because whether the lungs can take the pressure ke tak.
Okay.
Lepas tu you have to take care of their safety in terms of all these cuts and bruises dalam air kan cakap. Because there are all sorts of stingers in the water kan.
You certified juniors a lot before.
Yep.
Not
And then-
a lot
and then
lah.
you-
Depends on the... Kadang-kadang due to father dia diving. Anak I nak diving. Okay lah, belajar
okay je.
ajar. Kadang-kadang on the dot. Cukup je tarikh. Okay, we are ready.
Yeah.
Okay. As a parent and having friends who are also parents, sometimes they also think I'm quite crazy, right? I dragging my 60-year-old parents to do this, and then now they say,
Itu aku rasa gila sikit.
yeah, a bit gila lah. And then they also saying that, I'm dragging my kids to the boat. They think I'm quite crazy lah. But I also risau, not about all of this, but for if 10 years old is old enough or not for junior. Is it? You think
Starting from 10.
It's okay.
Yeah, okay.
It's okay.
Because they can listen properly.
Okay.
They can do. Kadang-kadang at one shot. That means all the exercise at one shot. Diorang boleh easily can do.
Oh, okay.
Pasal budak-budak sekarang semua dah fit, dah besar, dah bagus bukan macam
sebab
dulu.
Macam sekarang, especially the younger generation kan. Sebab sekarang kan all the gadget, everything. That means you kena alihkan dia punya segment ke other segment. Sebab kalau tak, kadang-kadang phone, komputer or tablets, dia akan melekat je lah. Macam anak aku dia tak diving.
Oh, tak diving ke?
Ajak, tak minat. Sebab dia dah
Dah melekat dengan gadget
lepas tu
sana.
dengan PS lagi.
Okay.
Tapi Alhamdulillah lah, dia sekarang ada buat outdoor activity.
Okay.
That's good for him.
Oh, nak tahu apa problem kids? Major issue dia. It's not in the water. Theory.
Theory
Dia
lah.
punya attention span dengan video ni juga. Geramnya ai.
What is the theory? How much theory they need to take? How many percent of the adult?
That 5 video, each video is 45 minutes. Kau ingat dia boleh bagi ke attention?
45 minutes for each video for the kids? Crazy.
Ente buat open water apa macam?
Sebab
kau
tu
tidur masa kau tengok video.
Tak, I thought the kids ringan sikit punya video. Tak ada.
No, it's the same thing.
It's the same thing.
That's why ada orang tanya aku kan. Ni Mak Saleh kan. Aku mana tahu. Aku cakap keluar-keluar dah cakap bahasa kebangsaan kan. So dia orang English speaking. So cakap apa pasal buku open water kan. Regardless of agency, it's too simple. It's stupid. Cakap it's not stupid. It has to be simple because dia boleh pakai daripada age 10.
Betul.
No limit.
Okay.
Yeah. So dia kena make sure that dia punya curriculum tu, whatever in the textbook tu, is understandable to all level. So itu tujuan dia.
Oh,
So,
45 minutes each session.
Each video.
ya bang.
Oh, it's luckily my agency only 1 hour 10 minutes.
Ya, tapi semalam you dah cakap you nak cross kan.
Oops.
You tanya masa yang apa ni?
That's very long.
Bukan IT, IC.
Oh, I see.
IC.
Ya,
Instructor
IC
certifier tu cakap, ada boleh buka lagi ke nak cross
boleh
over?
dah.
Tak boleh.
Tak boleh dah.
Lepas tu bukan video je. You got the quiz.
Okay.
Dia ada 4 quiz. Tu dah 40 soalan. Lepas tu dia ada final exam, 50 soalan. Whatever you go through, your kids will go through the same thing.
At 10 years old lah.
Same.
That's crazy lah. Oh.
Tapi sebab tu bila junior, we need to explain.
Yeah.
Okay.
We need to explain this and that. Sebab dia tak faham kan. That means we need to explain and then show lah our effort to teach them and then let them be in the diving world.
Anak dia speaking London, beres bo, no problem. Kau bayang masa ajar local boys.
Okay.
Ni yang kita brought up the other time.
Okay.
Macam mana kau nak explain BCD, buoyancy compensating device?
Okay.
Alat
Be difficult.
alat apungan.
bantuan keapungan.
Alat bantuan keapungan.
Ya.
Sebab tu sekarang ni kebanyakan agensi kan dah
ABK.
ada bahasa kan. Bahasa kan. First agency, I tak sure lah on that time. Tapi back to sebelum COVID, I attached with one agency, dia panggil RAID.
RAID,
RAID
yeah.
kan. Saya ajar banyak student-student perikanan. That means from Sabah, Sarawak, all budak-budak kampung semua kan. On that time, the agency have bahasa Melayu. Online. Lepas tu, budak-budak yang sebelah sana ni, bila dia pergi ke exercise, ke soalan-soalan ni, cepat gila jawab. That means dia boleh jawab
Dia
sekali
understand,
sekali
dia faham.
test.
Yeah,
Dia
I
faham.
mean it matters. Sebab when I was doing my SPM pun, it's bahasa Melayu kan. But towards when I tengah buat SPM, they already introduced the dui bahasa. So I thought okay lah, I can speak English what. But I see the English question, I tak faham also.
Ini dah pelik.
Yeah, pelik bro. Like you try to do chemistry, biology in English after learning until you're 17 in Malay.
Yeah.
Impossible man.
Itu problem locals lah kan.
Yeah.
Masa kalau in terms of diving ni kan, language is a barrier.
Barrier.
At least kalau dia boleh cakap bahasa kebangsaan tak apa. Dulu masa kita duduk pulau, kita mengajar budak-budak ni kan, some of the boatmen or
they have to,
the able
all
bodies
barrier,
kan,
right? You have
all the able bodies ni kan, mengajar bukan bahasa Melayu bang, bahasa Kelantan. Pasal dulu
Okay.
ada, but it's not bahasa Melayu, it's not bahasa kebangsaan, bahasa Indon,
Okay.
bahasa Indonesia.
Yeah.
Yes.
Dulu kan.
Oh, the syllabus is it?
Lagi I tak faham. It's very
Tapi sekarang dah
similar,
ada
it's
bahasa
not the
Melayu ke
same.
tak? Atau
Ada
still-
dah.
Dah ada.
Dah ada up until instructor manual kot ada. So
that's good lah.
yalah, kita punya abang juga tu yang
Yeah.
yang handle translation
Tunggu
dia
juga kan dia.
Oh,
Tapi
yeah.
tak tahu tak datang-datang lagi.
Tapi tak dia tak nak datang. Kita dah sebut berapa kali je. Cakap sorry abang, iklan je sikit.
Okay.
Yang tu
Go ahead.
yang tu banyak attempt dah. Yang tu
okay.
kita punya Sifu.
Oh, see.
Ex-boss kali.
Oh, he did the translation, is it?
Ada.
Dia punya team lah.
It seemed lah, okay.
So on that note kan, kids, you really have to have certain control. The other thing yang kau penting kena ada kan, kesabaran.
Kesabaran.
Dia ask a lot of question, you kena layan je. Tapi
Sekejap,
best.
Satu lagi kan, masa your mum buat macam sebab mak dia buat water tu macam gempak siut kan. Masa you punya mum buat certification, you ada dekat-dekat dia ke atau you
Oh, tak.
Dia tinggal macam tu ke?
Yeah, tinggal je. I trust the crew over there, bro. I just
Dia
told
pergi diving.
I told her instructor, bro, please do your best.
Ya betul. That
But
actually,
just make sure you return her
that is-
alive.
That's the best way. That's the best way. Kalau you ada contoh,
I don't want to pressure. Because I pun stress, right? If she go out and when she come pun, I also got anxiety. Is she gonna tell me good news or bad news? You know, did it go okay ke tak okay ke? So, but as long as she safe, okay lah. Just do it safely and then see how it goes. Because she only want to go. Lepas I tunjuk my videos from Triton Bay. Oh, I went to Triton Bay, so I forgot.
you been
I was thinking about one more. Yeah, I think the video in Triton Bay is the one really nudge her.
Tu memang lawa tu.
Oh,
Masa
lawa
tu
lah.
dah start main kamera dah tu.
Just start.
Just start.
The one I debut my Insta 360.
Okay.
It means you been to Triton Bay within these few years?
The year before last year.
That means on that time Nurul
Nurul
kat situ.
yeah. Nurul is the one that arranged for us.
Got action cam sekarang.
Now I use Ace 2 Pro lah.
Pro, yeah.
I try to learn from Aiman.
Yeah,
Aiman setup. Because I tak suka the stick,
The pole.
the whole thing. Dia pakai one video like kat sini.
Kau dah influence kan budak-budak ni macam ni.
Because senang je lah. I don't like to bring so much lah. Sebab I'm very light. Kalau I pakai too heavy stuff, I sink. I don't enjoy the dive anymore.
Ya betul. Banyak sekarang diver memang go light.
Yeah, I like to go
That
light.
means for the camera semua nak simple setup.
Lepas tu sekarang lampu bukan macam dulu. Kau nak 10,000 lumen lah.
Gila
Harga lah tak
Sekarang
larat
macam ni
tu. Harga tak larat tu kalau yang 10,000, 8,000 tu.
I mean kita pakai apa 2,000, 3,000, 5 cukup dah kan.
Tapi
Lepas
aku
tu satu
masih
je.
macam aku cakap lah, aku still prefer still photo lah. Memang guna strobe light.
Dinosaur sikit.
Dinosaur sikit.
Maybe one day I'll end up doing that. I told myself I'm not the camera guy ever. I'm never going to be like a guy who do the video work. But
Kalau
then
boleh jangan, bro.
Now I'm here.
Kalau boleh jangan. Kalau you masuk je racun. Bro ni kena
Abang
tambah
sekarang
ni,
satu
kena
kaki sudah masuk. Ini kaki sudah tunggu.
cukup. Yeah.
Nanti bro you punya macro lens ni tak cukup. Dia
Ya,
punya file
cukup,
ni kena
cukup
tambah
lah.
lagi. Beli macro lens pula.
Yang susah tu is lepas you ambil all the video and then the editing and then the download is that the one.
Kau jaga.
Tengok abang kita mengelak.
Sebelah kau ni dia punya racun lagi teruk pada iblis ni tu.
Tapi aku punya racun editing memang aku tak pandai buat.
Yeah. That's why I just use AI ni now.
Oh,
to do-
AI so.
Yeah, just do it.
aku
Sekarang kan yang aku tengok budak-budak yang upload yang straight away upload. Sekarang pasal kita diving banyak dungun tenggol kan. Ada line telefon masuk dalam phone terus upload. Kau tak payah edit. Auto.
senang tu ya.
Ha.
Aku masih lagi baru dalam AI ni.
Okay.
Tapi macam ni pun dah lama tak buka. Kadang-kadang dulu mula-mula kenal tu okey, buka je lah. Lepas tu lupa. Lepas tu ni pun bila cakap AI baru teringat AI
I think it's good to get into it now sebab it's not AI bukan macam it automates right. It
Yeah.
automates based on your preference.
Yep.
But you kena practice with it a lot. So then it understand what kind of video editing that you are doing, right? Then it will always try to do. You kena feed in the
Basic footage tu is still yours.
Yes,
Betul
yes,
tak?
yes, yes.
Yang tu is just enhancement.
Yeah, correct.
Alah macam awet lah. Pakai makeup sikit. Kau nak jadi macam burung merak ke. You nak influence siapa-siapa punya celeb ni ke. Ataupun you nak jadi macam K-pop ke kan. Yeah. Flavor of the week or flavor of the day lah kan.
Yeah.
Gua perasan bila cakap pasal awet je dia terus
No. I mean, betul lah, like makeup lah. Betul lah.
Abang dah lama tak buat slip solo ni.
No. Yeah. Like I ask you a question about makeup, right? This out of the topic question.
Okay.
Why in you watch Mr. Universe bodybuilding kan? Betul. I mean you heard of this competition kan?
Yeah.
I watch Miss World but it's okay.
I'm coming to Miss World. I'm coming to Miss World. Wait, Mr. Universe can use steroids or not?
Tak boleh kan?
Tak boleh kan? Memang tak boleh. You get banned. So if Mr. Universe cannot use steroids, why Miss World can use makeup? this one you can edit out.
No need to edit bro.
Can I answer cakap, bro, you don't want to know, bro. Don't go there. But
Yeah.
makeup, kau tahu tak ada makeup waterproof?
Yes, I know. Yeah.
Aku pun tak tahu. One time lama dah ni kita dapat.
Lama dah?
Lama dah. We dapat students from SQ. Baru habis kot dia punya ni, baru start crew lah. So dia pergi holiday ramai-ramai. Happening dive shop masa tu. Entah mana-mana mari daripada member lain-lain semua datang kan. Datang pakai bikini kan. So pergi diving pakai makeup. Aku sarkastik sikit lah. Cakap kita ni nak pergi diving, bukan pergi clubbing. Cakap no. The reason why dia pakai makeup ni dia tengah test. Dia testing what? Mascara, dia punya foundation and all this and that. So if it lasts underwater, it could last them for a long flight.
Oh, so it's not made for underwater. It's just a testing.
So
But
dia cakap, dia
the
nak tengok,
testing product.
The USP is can last long lah.
So dia cakap, this is the great testing. Aku pula excited kan. So dia naik-naik, dia cakap, see, cakap mascara is not smudge.
Oh really? That's impressive.
Wow, interesting cakap. So ada lah, aku jot down lah. Tapi aku tak tahu aku jot down buat apa.
Buat apa?
Masa
Apa
dia
you jot down?
Something's wrong with you man.
Dah lama tak pakai makeup.
You learn something new every day. Yeah.
My stiletto 6 inch pun ada gantung. It was Christine Louboutin by the way.
Alah.
Okay bro, macam ni lah. Kau banyak-banyak trip kan. Pergi trip sana sini. Diving experience considered banyak dah ni
juga.
kan.
Is it banyak? What is a seasoned diver? At least how many divers in your book?
Ni yang kau ni.
You pun macam you dah boleh consider juga
okay.
sebab you dah been go many place.
Ada attempt ke ataupun ada niat lah nak jadi pro.
Yes.
Ada?
Yes.
Ya.
Yes. Don't know what I don't know what's the long-term plan, but at least Dive Master.
You have our full support.
Thank you.
Sebab dia punya apa hala tuju dia tu kan.
Ya.
That means diving. That means maybe for sure one day dia akan pergi pro. Sebab kalau dia tak pergi pro, dia tak ada ambil rescue.
Ya, pasal kau punya development ni kan in terms of diving industry dah on the right track.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. No, I tell you the reason why. It's not macam, it's actually because I bringing my family kan. My mom and then my kids gonna grow up. They're gonna be in the water with me. I want to have full control, as much control as I can of the situation. So, which means learning what you guys do, what you pros do, right? Because you guys are keeping everybody safe.
Yep.
So I want to be on that level because of that. Not because I want to do part-time work or get into the business of diving or whatever. Not yet. But the main purpose is to try to make sure everybody is safe around lah. Yeah.
But because what we do basically, I think 80%, 90% is risk management.
Yeah.
The other 10% tu risk tak terkawal.
I always watch you. I mean, I always watch you guys. I mean, when I do fun dive kan, until today, I always watch what the dive master do or try to mimic what I can mimic. That's every time I do that.
It's good lah.
But I think you notice by now kan, dia memang gila sikit. Kepala tak betul. Cakap this one kan, masuk air ni kepala ni kan. Ke dia tak makan pil pagi-pagi kan. But once you touch water, dia punya character switch. Betul-betul switch. Masa tu kau nak tengok dia menjerit, masa tu lah. Naik air dia cakap, jadi macam ni balik. Anyway, kau banyak-banyak trip kan. Ada tak yang memorable or funny incident yang kau ingat?
Too many lah bro.
Too many.
Aku bagi kau example lah kan. Yang aku punya insiden kan. Aku pernah ada sekali member dekat Sabah ni kan. Kita buat dolphin roll. Where you enter water, you flip kan. Dia somersault kan. Aku nak buat juga. So dia Superman. Dia accidentally Superman.
Like this.
Macam tu. Dia jatuh. Pow! Dia masuk mask dah sengit, regulator dah terkeluar yang tu. Dia kata, gigi aku jatuh. Gigi jatuh.
Gila.
Gigi masuk.
Jatuh.
He knock what? What did he knock?
Dia punya pakai dentures.
Oh my god.
Girlfriend dia macam ni lah.
I have never done a dolphin roll bro. Tak pernah buat.
So itu satu insiden.
Okay, I see. There's one incident kat Maldives.
Okay.
No, Maldives.
There's a very close friend of mine. His name is Andrew.
Dia sebut.
Andrew Yananathan his name. He's a good friend of mine lah. We used to work together in Lazada and he also a diver. Tapi dia kan, yes the habit, dia selalu forget his things. Selalu forget his things. But he's my buddy during Maldives. Kan you have the main boat, lepas tu ada what do you call it, dinghy ya?
Dinghy.
Dinghy.
And then
betul kan? Okay, then you naik the dinghy, you go. Then this guy already lepas the dinghy already left the main boat to go to the dive side. Then he comes and tell me, "Hey bro, I left my booties."
Aduh.
Bukan dinghy. Bukan the small one, the diving boat kan?
Diving boat.
Dia bukan kalau yang kecil tu dinghy. The diving boat is Donny.
Donny, yes. Donny, you're right. Yes, you're right. So yeah,
boot tinggal.
the Donny already lepas already, and then boot tinggal. So how we cannot go back to the boat also because a bit far. Then they send the dinghy to chase the what?
Chase the Donny.
Chase the Donny.
Semata-mata budak ni.
Yes, semata-mata budak.
Kau dah maki
and
dah
then macam
cukup.
it's already like James Bond scene, two boats chasing each other, throwing the shoe across the ocean into the other boat. So that's dapat. Yeah, dapat.
Luckily dapat.
Yeah, that's one. Any other incident? Wah, I need to backtrack my memory lah. Tapi
Because sometimes due to that incident, for the future, that means you can clarify everything. That means you remind everyone this,
Betul?
that. Because
I mean many people forget their stuff, especially the weight belts and all of that. Some people, I think one of my friend also went to the water without the weight belt, cannot sink, and then started to panic already. Yeah, so that's one incident.
Even aku baru balik trip Tioman kan. Baru balik trip Tioman, ajar budak advance open water. Turun, okay. Ingat lah, okay, check your air apa semualah. Kalau SDI kita panggil ABCDE. A on, BCD on, computer on, dive equipment on. Okay, kita dah remind the student. Okay, student kita jalan sama. Sampai pantai, shit, my mask patah balik.
Itu biasa lah.
Itu biasa lah,
Itu
lot lah.
menyampah tu memang stres lah. Aduh.
Kita sibuk remind orang sendiri kan. Macam tu lah.
I think one more incident is kat Raja Empat, LOB. Very strong. I think they split into 3 groups lah. And then the first 2 groups we went already. We are the last group. So we are going, I think current was very strong. So we were swimming against current. Then I see one guy from the earlier group, seorang je, kat solo je. Tengah reef hook kat my vision is here lah. And then he couldn't keep up with the group because the current was too strong. He couldn't
That
swim
means
anymore.
you all against the current.
Against the current. We have to go to that part.
Yeah,
we have to
that part,
go
lepas tu
and
baru
masuk.
drift lah.
But he couldn't make it because it was quite a strong one lah. Yeah, you gotta be a bit at least average fit. Below average, I think you're gonna have trouble already. So he was stuck there. So we waited there to see if they can come back, but no one came. So we
Join your group
adopt him lah. Yeah. And then he had to cut the dive shot also.
Waduh.
Yeah, and then after you go up, and then I gave shit to his buddy from that group. Okay, where you leave your buddy?
Kau jadi sebab tu habis lah.
Yeah.
Satu apa kau tu yang boleh jadi sebab bukan bergaduh lah. Memang kau jadi bahan that day kan.
Yeah.
Orang tengah bash, kau nampak benda besar. Sebagai contoh, wave shark paling besar lah kat Malaysia.
Semua dah lupa.
Air clear nak mampus. Memang macam National Geographic. Mari satu hantu cakap apa? Bos, habis angin.
Oh, ya.
10 bar
Lord.
naik. Baru 25 minit. Memang kau jadi bahan lah. Aduh.
There's also a long time ago lah, kat Bali I think. We went as a group. It's a normal dive, bukan mola-mola season tau.
Okay.
It's just a normal Bali dive lah. Last dive, end of the dive, mola-mola keluar. Out of nowhere. Okay. I
Air
remember
sejuk lah masa tu.
Maksud air sejuk lah. So I remember the last time I came from mola-mola, I tak nampak apa-apa, you know. 4 days of diving, nothing. But this one, no mola-mola objective but nampak. I remember the briefing, don't go near kan, sebab he's very shy kan. Otherwise she'll go away. So we saw the mola-mola, but then there's 2 newbie diver. They don't know the protocol masa tu. So they approach kan. So the mola-mola chow. Okay lah, tak apa, we all saw. Tapi got one person didn't see at the back because they were slow. Bro, the drama after that. Habis. Semua kena marah. The dive master kena marah.
Confirm je.
Gila lah. I'll never forget that one.
Kau jadi sebab.
Because too, we cannot even talk about the mola-mola, you know, after the dive.
So even a single word kan. Confirm je.
So you guys ada mangsa.
Yes.
Yang begitu pemangsa. So the pemangsa tu memang jadi bahan lah.
Yeah, I think this one you shouldn't show lah because she might know who I'm talking about.
Tak apa, it's okay. Kita boleh bleep later.
But yeah, that's one incident lah. So, I think this one happen quite common kan. Yeah.
Okay, good one. Alright. Okay bro, since kau masa pun tak berapa mengizinkan. Interesting
Panjang
lah
lah
kau.
kita
Aku nak go on
I hope I'm fulfilling your objective for today lah. Right?
Aku rasa macam okay, nanti kan kalau siapa bagi lah komen kat bawah, do you want Shah for a second appearance kan?
If you guys have me, I'll bring my wife or give it, then
And
Siapa nak
she can tell
tengok,
her side of the story
siapa
and
nak
my
tengok
kids.
Shah mungkin kena cubit ke kena petik dengan dia punya wife boleh juga. Okay, alright. So there's a bit of rapid fire kan. Rapid fire. Pasal tadi nak tanya pasal equipment dia dah beritahu dah. Top to bottom equipment dia semua pakai apa kan. Okay. Land base or live on board?
Live on board.
Live on board. Okay. Piston or diaphragm regulators?
The latter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Diaphragm. Okay, right. You prefer fast boat or ferry transfer?
Fast boat.
Fast boat. Always kan?
Always.
Ferry boleh muntah.
I don't get seasick. So I just want to reach there fast.
You want to reach there fast, but your entourage, some of them must be seasick.
I don't understand the seasick
I
thing.
roughly know who.
Prema is seasick like crazy, man.
Yeah. Tabuk aku tu pun dah macam ni. Anak lagi bising kan. Alright. Shallow or deep dive?
Deep
Deep dive, okay.
Yes.
You prefer short time or long time? Dive time,
dive time.
Dive time.
Okay.
But I like the way he thinks.
Short time.
Short time.
Short good.
Short time.
Short and good.
Short and good.
Yes.
Short and good.
Yes.
Okay.
I like the way you think.
Yeah.
Okay. Macro or pelagic? Small or big picture?
Big
picture.
Yeah, big
Okay, alright. Shore dive or boat dive preference?
Boat dive.
Boat dive always. Kau dah buat night dive?
Yes.
Rag or night dive?
Itu both though.
Or you want to do both?
Both lah, bro.
Rag, night dive?
Yes, let's do it. You know rag dive, bro. Rag dive is.
Kau gila ke apa? Takut.
I did my rag dive specialty with Mat Yi, right? One of the best stuff I ever did in my life, man. I know it's just simple. You go to that Tangle boat, right? That big boat. But the exercise, the whole exercise was I enjoyed it like crazy.
Sawadi ni.
Oh, gila tu.
Okay. I got this. Rag, night dive, Halloween.
Let's do it.
Ni tak masuk cerita seram lagi. Okay, alright. Okay, back row or giant strike?
Giant strike lah.
Giant strike.
Giant strike,
Yes. I only did giant strike once, only in Malapasco. I never had a chance to do giant
Tango
strike.
behind?
Tango, I never do it. I think I should do it next time
That
lah.
means belakang tu.
Aku personally giant strike ni aku tak suka.
You tak suka? You giant strike with the fin or without the fin?
Bro,
With.
lupa. Sebab dia tak ada rambut.
Why? What's that? What difference ah?
So, aku pakai hood lah. Aku dah tanduk.
Tanduk.
Giant strike is nice.
Kena buang tanduk tu.
Okay, last one. Tesla or BYD?
Neither.
Aku pula.
Apa benda?
Sipadan or Komodo. This is the tough one.
Okay.
I know Raja Ampat one of the best.
I have to say Sipadan because
that's
Komodo
great.
I never done LOB in
That's same.
Komodo.
Same.
Yeah. I say
Sipadan.
Sipadan lah.
Because one island, everything.
Yeah.
Sipadan is the best.
Pukul habis lah.
Whatever, kalau kita dive luar apa, still remember Sipadan. Tapi now,
Ya, Sipadan ni
permit pun dah
memorable
mahal.
lah.
Lepas tu only 2 dive. Kita kena
Enjoy
minta
it.
3 dive.
3 dive. Yeah. Now 2 dive kerja kan dia bagi.
Zaman aku bujang, aku dengan Mak Yi, 1 tahun, kita buat 2 trip pergi Sipadan.
Sipadan best.
Tapi duduk kapal lain.
Okay.
Kita
Tapi kalau
memilih sikit.
Sea Venture dulu, masa aku pergi, kita boleh buat 4 dive.
Aku dah dive Sea Venture. Aku tak boleh.
Is it nice, Sea Venture?
It's nice but it's too high. Aku takut tinggi.
Oh.
Dah lah turun pakai lift.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, alright.
Okay, last one. Ini bukan rapid fire.
Uh,
Your last, not last lah, bukan last dive lah. Your last and the best destination you in your mind.
Triton Bay.
Triton Bay. Itu sebab you dah pergi kan?
Yeah. Because, bro, that Triton Bay, right? Every service interval is different beach, you know. That's number 1.
Okay.
Number 2, all yang benda-benda common is very big. And number 3, I just not rapid fire. I didn't choose macro, right? But there's there's a couple of macro diving spot there, like full sand. So many macro, bro.
Oh.
It's like abundance. Yeah.
It's what you call easy, relaxing, fulfilling dive.
Yes. And because I think sebab dia remote sangat kan. Not many people can have access. That's why it's very.
I think this is like a very good nasi daun pisang kind of thing. Everything is there. It's just like-
Yes. Yeah.
That means
It is fulfilling.
apa yang dia cakap tu, nanti kita akan chase Nurul pula.
Yes.
Yes.
You should lah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Kita akan chase
definitely.
Nurul
Yeah.
untuk datang dekat podcast kita, betul?
Yeah, betul.
Once kita pun dah nak end of the episode, last word to non-diver and new diver. Sebab you tarik non-diver tu. Diver.
Diver mungkin tu kan. Non-diver masuklah group saya.
No, I think for non-divers, you should at least do discovery. Just before you decide whether you are afraid of the water or if it's your thing or not. I think also when you do it, make sure you go with the group that you are comfortable with, because big part of diving is what you do when you're not diving also in the trip. Where you speak to people, you talk about stuff that you don't have time to talk about, but you want to talk about. So, for non-divers, I say approach it like this lah. Get a good group with same like mind, people you're comfortable with, you have connection with. Try to do attempt and open water or discovery, right? For divers, I guess keep diving lah.
Yeah.
Diving and
Keep
explore the
Explore.
underwater.
Yeah. Explore, yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Shah,
Yeah.
it's been a pleasure.
Oh, likewise.
Yeah,
Thank you for having. Thank you for having me.
I wish we have a longer time.
Yeah.
Tapi
Don't
itulah
worry.
tak.
Me too. Thanks,
Second.
I hope the session is good enough.
Yeah,
and all that.
it's
But
great, man.
Let me know. Do let me know what I can improve also.
Kau tengok yang belakang kamera senyum-senyum macam tu. Bagus tu.
Tak, yang kat belakang tu tunggu je. Cepat.
Okay. Anyway, for our coffee
Coffee.
sponsor and ASK,
thank you.
Thank you so much. You can always get this. Dia punya cafe dekat Bukit
Bukit
Jelutong
Jelutong.
dekat ASK Coffee that keep us awake for the
Yeah.
whole experience ni. Cakap. And to our viewers, thank you so much. Jangan lupa untuk subscribe, tekan bell notification button, share dengan kawan-kawan, and we see you again for next episode.
Yeah.
This is Scuba
Syndicate.
See you.